Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Friday, so I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on both of my portfolios. What am I buying today as a DCA investor? I'm also gonna be showing you the September weekly challenge purchase on VICI. And then I made a small special deposit into one of my portfolios because I saw a nice buying opportunity into one of my holdings. But let's go first into my dividend portfolio. Let's see the market value, which is right now at $16,800. $2,000 in the green, over $2,000, 13% in the positive. All my holdings, pretty much almost all my holdings, are performing very, very nicely. I also have this cash position right here of $310. But the only position that is in the red as of right now is Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. Right now, my cost per share is at $32.08, and the share price is at $29.16. I've been bringing down my cost because I started my position in the mid 30s. That's why I'm in the negative by 9%. Planning on buying and holding long term. So I'm going to make a small purchase into this one today and continue to bring down my cost per share. But as you can see, if we go into my top positions, SCHD is going to be my weekly challenge purchase. My top position, almost $4,000 in market value in this position. I'm really excited about that. In the green by almost $400, 11% in the green. I'm really happy with this position, but this is a buy and hold forever position for me as of right now. I'm 47 and a half shares. My goal for this year is 50 shares. So I'm going to continue buying. I'm going to have to buy one full share pretty soon, maybe before the ex-dividend date that is coming up right now in September. So I might be making that special purchase. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you could see those buys that I'm going to be making later in the month, especially with SCHD's new monthly ex-dividend day coming up right now in September. My second largest holding, I'm not gonna be buying any old Realty Income, but they did a dividend increase. As you can see right here, I have it highlighted in blue. If we go into the updates tab, Realty Income raises monthly dividend by 0.2% to 0.2635 cents per share per month. Forward yield on this new dividend is going to be 5.03% at the share price that is at right now. It's payable on October 15th, and the next ex-dividend date is going to be October 1st. So you have to hold shares before October 1st before you get paid this new dividend. But if we go into my portfolio and we go to the right, we see my yield on cost is actually a 5.50% instead of 5.03%. This is why it's very, very important that if you believe in a company and you see the share price go down, that's when I usually buy. I like to buy when the share price goes down, the yield goes up, and then if you believe in the company, if you do your research very, very well, right, and you plan on holding long term, this is what happens, which is your yield on cost goes up, especially as the dividend increases also year over year. Your yield on cost is going to continue to go up because you bought it and your cost per share is much lower than the share price that is at right now. My cost per share in Realty Income is $57.52, and the share price right now is at $62.41. Then next, I'm going to be making my weekly purchase on Visa, ticker symbol V. I'm at 3.057 shares, and the share price right now is at $285. It's way above my cost, which is at $268.18. In the green by 6%, but I do want to continue growing Visa, and my goal for this year is having 4 shares at least. Maybe, hopefully, I can even get to 5 shares, but I don't think so. I think I'm very far from that. But I'm gonna be making a nice purchase on Visa this week, and then Pfizer, as I've said before, I'm gonna be lowering my cost per share on this one. Then VICI was the one for the weekly purchase, the September weekly purchase for this week. I'm at 18.9 shares, very close to 20 shares right now, but the share price is at $33.57, and my cost per share is at $29.85. I'm in the green by 12% in this position, but I do have it in my weekly challenge because I want to continue growing this position And my purchase was on September 10 of $14.97 at a share price of $34.02. So he purchased almost half a share, 0.440 shares that he purchased for me on Tuesday. But on that same day, I also made a special deposit into one of my portfolios. But let's go into the Milestone, because I did post a poll and posted, I made a special deposit. I actually like making these polls. I really enjoy them and I really like seeing the results. So I really appreciate everyone that votes, especially 68 votes right here. And it reads this way: I made a special deposit yesterday, and if you've been watching, you will know which stock I bought more of, which was 56% said Visa. As of right now, 32% said Google, 10% said VICI, and Amazon said 1%, pretty much. Only 1% of the votes. I think that was just one person. But Liberty, you were right. Liberty was the one that posted a comment saying that the purchase was Google for sure. And yes, the 32% that voted on Google were right. I did make a special purchase on Google because I saw a nice buying opportunity. I wanted it to go down some more, but if we go into the updates tab in my growth portfolio, I deposited $30 and made a purchase into Google at $149.10 a share. So he purchased for me 0.201 shares of Google. I did see a very nice opportunity. I saw that it also went down into like the $147. I was really looking really hard to see if it went down even more, but it did not. It went back up in share price. And if we go into the stock analysis tab, as you can see right here, it is back up in the mid 150s. And right pre-market today, it is at $156.01, almost 1% in the positive again. But I'm going to be buying some more because I want to buy more of Google under 160. And if we go into the growth portfolio, let's go to see all of my holdings. As you can see, Google, I'm almost at 2 shares of Google. 1.983 shares of Google is 20% of my holding size in this portfolio right here. And I'm in the green by 5% right here. $15 in the green. My cost per share is at $147.03. This one is one that I want to continue growing also. Same together with Amazon. I want to buy some more Amazon. Amazon went back up into the 180s. Right now it's at 187. I wanted to buy some more this week. I'm not going to be depositing as much to the dividend portfolio. I'm going to be grabbing some of the deposit that I'm going to be making into the dividend portfolio. And I'm going to put it into this growth portfolio because I want to make a little bit of a larger purchase in Google. Jeremy had mentioned that in one of the previous videos in the comment section that he saw more opportunity in my growth portfolio, and he's 100% right. I do see a nice opportunity in Google, which I'm going to try to take advantage of, to be honest with you. Leave me your opinion in the comment section. If you're buying these companies, like in the tech sector especially, which is going back up, the tech sector. And a lot of people are buying again into the tech sector. But I'm going to be buying some more Google today for sure. That's going to be my main focus today. Out of both of their portfolios, I'm going to be making my regular weekly purchases, but I'm going to be buying more Google. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button so it can show up in the feed and it can help the channel continuing to grow. But this is going to be my my focus today. And I'm going to be giving you guys an update on Sunday. I'm also going to be putting a little bit into VGT most likely, but my main focus is going to be Google today. I'm going to continue to buy some more today. I should hopefully be over 2 shares before Sunday's update. So stay tuned for that. And my portfolio right now is at $1,500 in the green by 13%, $185. I've been depositing about 25 bucks into this portfolio every week. Every dollar counts, to be honest with you. I gotta post a video because somebody had made a comment before, oh, just $5. you'll be surprised what $5 can do if you continue to invest it long term. It can grow very, very nicely. And I'm gonna use one of these positions right here in the growth portfolio to post that video of what $5 a week can do with one of my holdings, to be honest with you. But stay tuned for that. And this is pretty much it. That's going to be my focus. Those are going to be the focus on my positions this week. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Leave an opinion. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you on the next one on Sunday. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. And this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.